Hi, my name is Evan from Aurora Middle School, and today I'll be teaching you how to do hands-on equations. First, I need to explain what these are. This is a white pawn, and this is the opposite of x. This is a blue pawn, and it is x. This is a red cube, and it is a positive constant number. And this is a green cube, and it's a negative constant. The problem today is x plus 10 equals 3x plus 2. So let's go over to the table to solve. So we have the x and the 10 and then the 3x and the 2. So the rule is you can take away or add the same thing from both sides as long as you use two hands. So we can take away the same thing because these are both x's side, and then we can also take away 2 from each side. So if we take away 2, 10 minus 2 is 8. So then we have 8 equals 2x. So if we divide both numbers by 2, this equals 1, and this equals 4. So then we have 4 equals x. Next problem is negative 10 plus x equals negative 3x plus 2. Okay, so this is our problem. So right now we don't have anything on the same, or that's the same on both sides. So we have to add the same thing so we can get rid of other stuff. So right now we can add 2 rights because we're adding the same thing. And then this is a pair of 0 because the opposite of x plus normal x equals 0. So we take those out. Then we can add 10 to each side. No, add negative 2 to each side, okay? If we add negative 2, then this equals a pair of 0 because 2 plus negative 2 equals 0. So then we have 12 equals the opposite of x, 4 the opposite of x. So then if we divide each by 4, then we get 1 and 3. So the opposite of x equals negative 3, so that means x equals 3. So our next problem is 5 plus x plus negative 3x equals 3x plus negative 2x plus negative 1. Let's go solve. So here's our problem. So we can start off by taking away all the possible pairs of 0. So this is a pair of 0 because they cancel out each other. And these are also a pair of 0. Yeah. So then we have 5 and negative, or opposite of 2x, and x and negative 1. So now we want to get rid of one of these. So we can add positive 1 to each side. Positive 1. And this gets rid of those. And this equals 6. And then we can add x to each side, or 2x to each side, so we can get rid of the opposite of x's, and we get rid of that, and we get 6 equals 3x. So then if we divide both of those by 3, we get 2 equals x. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.